Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how to cook chicken sausages in the air fryer.
Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning.
I'm a huge fan of sausages in the air fryer, and what's fantastic about them is that you can mix and match depending on which ones are your favourite. I've cooked everything from frozen sausages to thawed to sausage and chips, or even cooking sausages as part of a full English breakfast. They're just amazing in the air fryer. And today we're going with the healthier alternative, which is chicken sausages. And what's great about these is they don't hold as much fat, so they're not likely to set off your smoke alarm like fatty pork sausages can.
We are actually using Slimming World chicken sausages because those were the closest ones I could find to the ones that we'd originally posted on Recipe This for similar cook times and things. And we're doing these defrosted, but of course you can do them from frozen. Simply search RecipeThis.com for frozen sausage and you will find instructions for how to do it like that as well. So this is a pack of 6 from Slimming World. So get your air fry basket open. We've still got a little bit of ice in the bag, but they're definitely defrosted anyway. So then place the chicken sausages in, turn it on, set the temperature for 190 Celsius and then the cook time for 8 minutes, and then we can check on them. And we've beeped. So let's check on those sausages, shall we? Wow, aren't they lovely for chicken sausages? I should point out they are Slimming World chicken sausages, so if you're not using diet ones you also look different, and that's because Slimming World ones don't get as much colour on them because there's not as much fat in them. But still got a bit of colour going, and that's what the chicken sausages look like when they've been cooked in the air fryer. Of course it may differ from brand to brand, but this is a general rule for cook time, and I find the same for pork sausages as well. So if you want to cook sausages in the air fryer, this is how it's done.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.